The people them in general, they are more educated. So right now we need some more educated artists because really and truly, you don't really want some artists who represent dancehall music who can't put two sentences good together. And so I say it's kind of embarrassing.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Don't know one Media Fox pan it up, you know. Yeah man, you know things said. So people, remember, go buy the album, stream the album. You understand? NPT, no pussy test. You know things said already. You understand? I'm big up for the people them who support Media Fox. You understand? I'm big up the people them who not rate Media Fox, because at the end of the day, when I watch my video and everything, see me and I comment. And if I comment bad things and not agree with me, I still there support same way. So I have to big on up. You see me? Because I give me the views. You see it? So look at now people. Remember, album, promotional purposes. Yeah man, go get the album, buy the album, stream the album, all platforms. Remember, want to reach the goal. You understand? This album, masterpiece, no matter what the hater wants to say. But Jeffrey them, I review the album, I talk something, but we got hear what go on.
The album, find the album cover for me now. I'm there. NPT, I'm assuming that means no pussy test. No, find the other one, man. Find the thing on IG so we can. Is there any features on the album?
Nope.
Anyone of the man them
Nope.
No
strength in the lonely yard, bro.
Who gets strength? Who gets strength?
What your man are looking at man phone and the man just hide him phone. Jaja. May I tell the people.
No strength in the lonely yard, oh man himself.
Cause
no strength in the
man
lonely
that's one
yard.
for the day, you know. Well,
You see, a lot of people is like Alkaline dominate the album because majority of the album them some of the time is with other artists, it's collaboration and everything. So Alkaline by himself is something really unique. You understand? And trust me, quality music. But don't in the video, I will expose some things.
I know that already. I can't find that car. What
You can't find Alkaline?
Okay, see me.
You post album?
No. What you
Show me a tabo, bro. Go on the Twitter page. Show me a tabo, dog. Everything ain't no cool, bro. It's not cool, bro. It's not right, bro. Stop. Bro, stop. It's not right. Bro, stop.
It's not right.
Probably the search feed, bro. The search feed and anything else. IG right now. Like a search feed.
What, Alkaline album art?
No, that's not Alkaline NPT.
NPT.
Let's see if I find it. I'm telling you, man. Take it. Alright. So track one, let me see. Alright, so no features, J-Pole style.
Features, no artists.
Other style. Alright, let me see. The man will get sent off. Sato gets sent off. Atobam gets sent off. I think that's Alkaline himself. Sponge gets sent off. Maurice gets sent off. Big up Arms House. Giga gets sent off. Shout out to Giga, man. Shot by didn't get sent off at all, bro. All Vaga gets sent off to Pussy Clan. Yo, which I know what I want to say. Sometimes I want to forbid and wait.
Sometimes I want to
whole out and wait till I get to the send off, dog. My boy didn't get sent off neither, you know. I'm left him in my yard too.
Mercedes.
Cha-cha. My friend, park up the GLT in my yard.
Javi ma talking, okay, man, Javi no good. You understand, man, Javi no good. But you have to understand, bro, Alkaline is just one artist, you know, brother. You expect one artist, you have vice, the whole producer and everything, brother. You understand? Alkaline did a lot of work with Javi. You understand? So if him have one album where Javi no maybe depend, nothing wrong, brother. Javi been on different albums. I think Javi never depend on the top price too. Top price album, last album. So nothing wrong if he miss now for this, bro. You understand? Nothing miss no wrong.
God. Anyways, good talk about the music.
Sorry, yo.
If Alka for find two tunes for this dancehall not trouble.
Yeah?
Dancehall not really trouble.
Yeah.
If you have to find two,
Just
if you have to find two,
just on the album, yeah. Just for
if you have to find two for this,
7, 8,
no,
10,
you can't come here.
16.
So people, what I've realized some of the Gaza people them and some of the crooks them campaigning. Yeah man, them a campaign, cause look at now. Vice Cartel album coming up. Cause remember now, them have to do what them a do, cause you don't know album wave. Them a wait for Alkaline album. Alright, me I go bring it down. Cause them have feed them album a forward. That's why every day them get up, you hear them. Yo, winter gone, you know. Yo, our album no drop. Because them want a album wave to ride. Because these artists say them a put out project how long from last year and the year before. So them a wait for Alkaline now for release album. You understand? That them a do. You see me? Cause Alkaline have to give energy enough to compare it, you know. That's why, cause I'm tell you, I realize with dancehall, I kind of realize that them only rep the little TikTok thing them like it. Hit crash, fish crash, fish crash. See? Some little hype moment. You see me? Seem like the rhythm where the rhythm bad, but the little hype moment, bag artists a jump on it and then how much artists get a big song out of it. You understand? When I hear nobody, everybody a talk about Alkaline album now. People have said this, people have said that, Ray, this, that. Me see a lot of artists drop album, them don't even talk about it. People, them don't even talk about it. Everybody have something to say about Alkaline album. But what I realize, dancehall is not about quality. It's about what's trending. It's about the TikTok moment. All of these things. If you realize, them say a famous person dance to it, it go viral, yeah, them run with it. Them don't sit down in them vehicle and meditate music. You understand? Them no meditate. Dancehall no really meditate music. Dancehall is a trending thing. That's what them run with. Cause you see the album where Alkaline drop is a masterpiece. You understand? For the girls them, motivation song, and the gangster song them. You understand? It'll give a full compilation, represent everything, motivation, girls, everything. So you don't know. What I have realized, the Gaza are team up with the Crooks them now. Seeing? Where they must say, yo, should they want to bring no Alkaline album now, you know? And people, remember, go stream and buy album for promotional purposes. Seeing? Them start say, remember last year when Tamilia war with our Crooks, you know then start do? Yo, movie, in afraid of Alkaline, in can't this Alkaline better, Ray. This year now when album now, catch you them in them feelings with the Barclays Center and the numbers, you know. So when album drop now, you know say, I just bring down time. Cause then listening, you know. It's just hate. Them just listen for hate. Yeah man, listen for hate. Them say same flow, same everything, Ray, this, that. Bag of hatred. But it show you say, if them say I see them for everything, that means them listen to whole album. But them now listen to them artist album. Them now listen to them artists album, look at them feel like say them alone I listen album, figure album blind and say, but me see how much people react to the album and the album sick. You understand? Cause soon after this down the line, the naysayer go say Ray. And I'm gonna say, yo, this Ray. Cause people don't listen music, you know. Them listen for trendings. Them don't listen music, quality. You understand? And that shift the dancehall space as well. Because them will hear is crash, kiss crash, this, that. Those are the songs them bring. TikTok trends and all of them little something there. You understand? Yeah. And then them get a few dance have go tweet and it react and it go viral and all of that. Them thing that them not deal with quality and production and every little thing. You understand? Most of them we talk are just the hating. Just hate. Just listen to them. If you really sit down and make the album with good quality sound, speaker and every little thing, you will understand. And because them used to the dancehall space with the everyday chopping, the trending song, the bag of Ray song, I ain't tell me what, those songs don't really go far. Because those songs don't have no quality in them. You understand? Them don't have no quality, them don't have no motivation, nothing. You see me? Yeah, because some of the albums, them, yeah, a bag of artists on it. You see me? So, nobody now show them full potential at times, and sometimes people drop album and people not even to meds it. But you don't know most hated dancehall artists in the modern time, Alkaline. When him drop album, don't respect, you know? People gonna say what they're gonna say. You understand? But they can't stop music. Music is something you can't stop because it'll go out there in the world and listen. You understand? So, we have to big up the Crooks them. And we have to big up the Gaza. Because look at now. When some of them album drop, them not promote them artist album like Alkaline what them do now. So everywhere they go, yo, trash. Them talk about it. Yeah man, go and talk about it, man. All who don't know what go and go know now. Say, yeah man, go and promote it with hate. I'm telling you already, you know. More no hate Alkaline or whatever I'm doing, you know. And more the youth level just turn up, you know, the hate and the fight every not turn somebody who love. See, you just sell out Barclays and drop one of the toughest album. Because if the album never tough, we wouldn't see it. We wouldn't do the attack. Because I say artist drop album, nobody talks about it. You understand? So it shows Alkaline, we just see people react to it and just feel away and just hating. But look what go on. Everything are gonna make sense soon.
You could go up on the post and you see the number, then listen to the number. That's true, man. You have a good time. Remember, I'm stressed out, man. At ease, man. Anyway, 16. If you can get 3, bro. 3. No, you know what, no. If I can get 1. If I can get a song with like tough like Passenger Princess.
Like something that will stretch like a hair of good like big.
See that stretch something that we do, you careful.
Yo, that brother, yeah. Me don't know, but bro, you're just talking about one song. You understand? Me don't know this passenger princess thing. I don't think. Me tell you say, yo, people a be a hot song them run with, you know. Because the world don't deal with hotness. Them deal with hits. Song with quality and every little thing, brother. You understand? The passenger princess thing, people, to be honest, I don't know how it sound, to be honest. I always hear about it, but me never really met if you go listen it. But maybe down the line, me I go listen. Maybe me I go listen it after this and thing. But you see, true valiant time artist, he might talk about one song, very. But you don't know in feelings and all them little things. But trust me, people. You see the haters are gonna say anything. We still want to plan. That's why I've been waiting on the album. Because I don't have no plan to just bring it down. But I not even know say, brother, we not just make everybody know what go on. Because everybody knows we not hate. We not hate from the show for forward now next album. I saw it go. The more we hate, the more people hear about it. You understand? Yeah, man. So the people in tune.
Careful, man. Yeah, man. Yo, John. You good? Everything good? Alright, yeah, man. People remember, daylight, it is April 5th.
Yeah, but if you go to go with our vibes.
Put on some clothes. Ladies come out and the best heels in the place of a deck. At the gate where you're in a t-shirt.
It's not gonna work.
Back to it now.
So you say one song.
If you know, you can get one. Can remember, we have to understand. Yeah, we have to understand. Say one song can equal 10 songs.
It's true.
One song can equal 100 songs.
Yes, it can.
So we have to understand that. But based on what me hear so far, because what come out already, Key Man and No Emotions,
yeah.
I'm not really banking on it to be a phenomenal album. We'll know very soon. What time
out. It's the early 1 hour, actually.
Yeah.
People, I wonder if them hear it now. I wonder if them are listening, because this was before the album dropped. Them do that video, yeah, you know. You understand? So, we want to hear what them are going to say after this. Yeah, man, we want to hear what them are going to say after this. You see me? Because when them do them review, you don't know Media Facts are going to work. A strictly promotion. Yeah, man, album promotion, man. We not ease up. You don't know as the artist you touch, you know. You understand? No Media Facts go to work already. You see me? Big up on yourself.
That's what I do. True now.
So,
you see me? So, I'm not bank on it to be a phenomenal album. If a dog find one, bro, with that momentum, yeah, from where I go in. But I think, and sometimes I think too much in a dog. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna think too much, bro. Like, shut up, man. Anyways, I think I'm sure I drop your album, normal album day, on the Friday.
make it
you see, Alkaline, I'm not saying it's smart, but if them is smart, and drop your album Friday. Just have a look sing-along song, a look easy, do re me song, we can just bust the place and go bust it at the show. Oh my God, man. Oh, what?
I'm actually...
Live reaction less than 24 hours?
I'm kind of interested to see where I'm going to for Up to the Line then. Because he'll
be here this weekend. Mr. Powell.
He'll be here this weekend. Or weekend coming. So I don't know if... I mean, maybe I'm just going to do... I mean, the old song will always be the old...
Yo, people, I want to tell you, you know. Yo, them wish them have the angle. Yo, them wish them have the power for tell Alkaline what for doing that. Like, them don't realize, bro. Like, we don't realize what the youth are do at work. Because if him did do what Uno do, you'd have come like nothing. May I tell you? Because where him do, Uno talk about it. You understand? Because if him did that do, what Uno do you want him do, you'd have come like nothing. You understand? So that's why the youth go always a jump outside of the box. And make no talk, and make no this, and make no that. You understand? And it him been doing for 13 years now and we not realize. The fool is the last to know. Everything are gonna make sense soon. And everything is making sense soon. Because the youngest, the solo Barclays Center, solo. Everything are gonna make sense soon. And soon can be any date, any year, anytime, any hour. You understand? So what happened in Barclays Center, it show you everything are gonna make sense soon. You see me?
Song them. So maybe I'm just gonna do those, but you know, if something happens, maybe if something organic happens between now and then, for the song, then maybe he will introduce them. But who knows?
Yeah. So we can just look out. I don't see the producers. Them who see a producers we worked with before. You know, I don't see no names and no genius, no Russian, no DJ man. As we don't know Alkaline mix. So you know, there's also.
Brother, I wanna steal no feelings, dog. Wanna steal no feelings, brother. Yo, the man. So, uno want the man. True, uno link with producer, uno want the man to work with. Me not understand this, brother. I bet say DJ man did depend it a different energy. All the film producer them, any of them did depend it a different energy. So I know you to dangerous. It come like Alka fi work with everybody. Yeah, man, work with everybody, man. Same people them wanna rate him, wanna like him. You see me?
That yeah, no features, you know. But alright, but question, you think it's possible for him to run back the place though?
It all depends on the song again. Bro, no matter what, you know. No matter what. You need like,
If Carter can remember the place, Alkaline can remember the place.
he song though. He still need song.
Yeah.
He still need song, boy. Like we said,
Because he doesn't have the social media presence.
you say one, me say three. If him get two,
Man, say Alkaline do have a social media presence. Then if when Alkaline do get the social media, him get one of the most talk about. Me not understand this. Huh? What you mean? Brother, the artists them wanna say around the place, you know, bro. Them literally not doing what Alkaline doing, you know. You understand? Yeah, Cartel forward out. And I do him thing, do him shows and every little thing. You understand? Him a drop him music and all of them little thing, the little trend. Sometimes I do some internet thing on the run with, bro. You understand? I just that, and then once the little internet sensation done, is like it gone back to normal, fam. You feel like the Alkaline a try for run dancer, or him a try for run down clout, or him a try for do that. You would not do that. Him just a do what him do normally. You understand? We not talk about some run down thing and all of them little thing there, bro. Cause bro, Alkaline just do a show and him just drop an album, and it a take over a whole place. Him just a do what him do normally, brother. Him not try go time way for doing a bag of things. You understand? It's just the impact what the youth have.
and the song them bad. Him not, you know it go already. You're gonna just hear them because one thing with him music is when that decides when them songs decide for bad, bro, them out. You're gonna hear it.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Yeah, man, people. I saw it going on, people. You see in a life, where show you see sometimes when you do things and you just see people are hate, you do good things. I tell you. When you see so much people are hate whatever way they do, you do something good. Yeah, man. You do something good. And remember this. You see, some of the crooks and some of the Gaza, remember this. If you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. That's all me have to tell you now. You understand? Because we see say, we no been a wait on Alkaline album, you know. Because we no been a drop album, but we no now get them type of reaction and this attention up on the internet like this. A bag of thing. One album just a create who a hate, who a say, yo, this tough, who a say, yo, me a fan, but yo, me no like this Ray. We no don't really listen to real music. We no listen to quality music. We no don't want no meditation. We no just run with something we are going on TikTok or a trend and just say, yeah man, this bad because everybody I do it. But you just now understand how quality works with music. And that's how Alkaline music work. When him drop music, them say, yo, this and that, and then down the line, it pick up. They must say, oh, January. And when you look, it was the same song when you're talking. Remember, say Alkaline been doing this for years in the fam. You understand? Because remember, I said the local dancehall space where they are Jamaica. The world is different. You understand? The world is listening to Alkaline music. That's why I'm called a solo Barclays Center. You understand? And it no matter, like, we no been a hate on the youth. If you not hate for 13 years now and the youth just grow. Continue hating, man. No simple thing. Continue hating. Because no matter what you say now, you can't change the reality. You understand? Because the box we're in, you can't see outside that box. But people, as me say, go stream the album, buy the album, everything. You understand? Remember that. Haters can't say anything. You see me? But them now go change the reality. You see it? Yeah, man. And I don't know one media facts on the app. Yeah, man. You don't know. That is it.